$20 will be over 100 raindrops in 5 seconds.
All right, I'll take the under on that. Shake on it.
3,
I'll count.
2,
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Held it out there a little long.
Yeah, I was just making sure you get the whole Mississippi in there.
It was a little long.
well, whatever. We'll see.
Yeah, you gotta pat it down, make sure the raindrops, make sure they hit.
Gotta flip back over.
Pete Alonso, second baseball.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 78, 79. Did I miss any? Oh, 80, 81, 82.
There's one right there.
83. I think that's all. Wait, 84, 85.
You're not finding 15. You're not finding 15. Let's go.